My heartbeat drifts into a quiet rush, a trembling calm I can't contain. All the moments we once passed by slowly gather here again. Your eyes hold a tender glow, like sunlight resting on an open page. I breathe a little deeper now. This feels like the start of something brave. This reunion feels like falling softly, like a breeze that knows my name. Every glance becomes a story, every breath a gentle flame. I don't